Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome back to your maths online class for today. It's 25th of November today. Okay, and today we are going to begin with exercise 10 of unit 5. And this exercise is last exercise of this unit. And the question says find the value of each of the following. Okay, see A part we have 4 upon 5. This is a fraction and we need to divide this fraction from 2. Okay, till now we have done addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions, multiplication of fractions. Now today we are going to learn how to divide fractions. Okay, now see, I hope you all remember in our previous class we learned about reciprocal, how to find out reciprocal, right? Now today we are going to use we are going to reciprocate one fraction and then we will solve the sum. Let us get started. See, 4 upon 5, okay, and we need to divide this fraction from 2. Now our first step is just write down this first fraction as it is. 4 upon 5, just write it down as it is. Now we need to reciprocate this second if it is a fraction, then just reciprocate the fraction. If it is a whole number, then we need to write down its reciprocal as well. So the reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2, right? Now when we have reciprocated the number, the second fraction or a whole number, we need to change the sign. Okay, we need to change the sign. It means as we have division sign over here, so we will just mark multiplication sign over here after reciprocating the whole number or the fraction number. I am repeating it again, how exactly we need to follow or how exactly we need to do first step. First of all, write down first fraction as it is. Then write down the reciprocal of second. If it is a fraction, then just reciprocate the fraction. If it is a whole number, just reciprocate the whole number. Okay, and if after reciprocating it, you change the sign from division to multiplication. Done. Now what we need to do, I hope you all remember how we have done multiplication sums. If a denominator or a numerator are divisible, then we can divide it. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So this is how I have divided. Now in numerator what is left? Only 2, 2 ones are 2, and in denominator what is left? Only 5, so 5 ones are 5. So this is how we have solved the given division sum. Is it clear, students? Let us move on to B part. See, 7 a whole number we have and we need to divide it from 1 2 upon 3. It means it is a mixed fraction. So first of all what we need to do, we need to just convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. How? 3 ones are 3 plus 2 will give us 5. So 5 upon 3. Now again we need to follow the same step. Just leave or just write down this first fraction or a whole number as it is and reciprocate the second fraction. As it is 5 upon 3 over here, so we will write down 3 upon 5. Now see, we are going to write down 1 over here, okay, and what is the rule of multiplying fractions? Just multiply them directly with each other. 7 threes are 21 and 5 ones are 5. Okay, now we need to convert this answer into mixed fraction, and you yourself will do it, students. Okay, try to convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction. Now C part, see 1 upon 9 and second fraction is 1 upon 6. It means I am going to divide this fraction from this fraction. Now see, first fraction we will write down as it is, use multiplication sign and reciprocate it. Just write down its reciprocal is 6. Okay, now we need to check whether both of them, a numerator and a denominator, are divisible or not. Yes, we can divide both of them from same number. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so only 2 is left in numerator part and only 3 is left in denominator part. So this is our answer. Now D part, 5 upon 9 divided by 15 upon 36. I have written down first fraction as it is and second fraction I have reciprocated, 36 upon 15, and I have changed the sign also as well. Now see, we need to check whether our numerator and our denominator are divisible or not. Yes, they are. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Now see, we can divide 36 from this 3. So how to do it? 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. It means 3 12s are 36. Done. Now again we can divide this 12 and this 9 from same number. So 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. Okay, so only 4 is left, 4 and 1 is left over here, so 4 ones are 4 and 3 and 1 is left over here, so 3 ones are 3. Now again this is an improper fraction, so please convert it into mixed fraction. Now E part, 16 divided by 2 upon 5. First step is write down 16 as it is and reciprocate this fraction. 5 upon 2 I have done, and sign is also changed. Now we need to check whether any numerator and denominator is divisible or not. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. Yes, we have divided. Now only 8 and 5 is left, so 8 5s are 40. Okay, now see F part, 12 upon 13 divided by 1 upon 52. So we need to reciprocate this fraction, and this 52 will be written down in numerator part along with changing the sign. Now we need to check whether any numerator and denominator is divisible or not. Yes, 13 ones are and 13 fours are. Okay, 52. Now only 12 and 4 is left in numerator, so 12 fours are 48, and this is our answer. Now moving on to ninth part, we can see that both the fractions are in mixed fractional form. First of all, we need to convert them into improper fraction. 5 8s are 40 plus 2 42 upon 5 as it is, divided by 15 2s are 30 plus 2 32 divided by 15. Now We have to write down first fraction as it is and then reciprocate second fraction. This is how I have written down its reciprocal. Now again we need to check it out whether we can divide any numerator and a denominator or not. So yes, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Okay, now again we can divide both these numbers from 2. So 2 ones are 2, it will become 12. So 2 six are 12 and 2 twos are 4 and 2 ones are 2. Okay, so only 21 and 3 are left in numerator part and 1 and 16 are left in denominator part. So 16 ones are 16. Now see, let us just multiply 63 upon 16. This is the answer we have, an improper fraction. Now you all just need to convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, now see H part, we have a mixed fraction and a proper fraction. So first of all, let us convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. 5 fours are 20 plus 2 22 upon 5 and write down it as it is, because we are first of all converting the question to its proper form. Okay, now we will follow the first step of reciprocating and changing the sign. So 22 upon 5 will be written down as it is. Put multiplication sign and write down its reciprocal. This is how we have done. Okay, now we can divide 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. Done. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Now see, 2 and 3 are left in numerator and in denominator we have only 1, so we will leave it as it is. So 2 threes are 6. Done. Okay, now I part, last part of this exercise. We have both the fractions in mixed fractional form. First of all, let us convert. 4 twos are 8 plus 1, 9 upon 2. Put division sign. 5 fours are 20 plus 1, 21 upon 5. Now we need to reciprocate second fraction along with its sign. So 9 upon 2 will be written down as it is. I have put multiplication sign and let us reciprocate it. So 5 upon 21. Okay, now let us divide them if they are divisible. 3 threes are 9, 3 sevens are 21. Okay, now can we divide any other number? No. So only 3 into 5 is left in numerator and 2 into 7 in denominator. 5 threes are 15 and 7 twos are 14. Now students, again it is an improper fraction, right? So what we need to do? Let us convert it into proper fraction. 14 ones are 14 and to make it 15 only 1 is left. So this is our answer. Okay, so this is how we have done exercise 10. Please do this exercise and all the sums in your notebook in a very good handwriting, and if you have any doubt you can ask it from me, students. Okay, so that is all for today. Have a good day. Take care.